Now today we're going to talk about the E minor chord on Landslide and the pattern Lindsay uses there. So I'm just going to get right to it. He's still using just a Travis picking pattern. Here I'm capoed at the 3rd fret, so we're in that key of E flat like they play the song. And let me just show you the right, assuming you're E minor, you can play it that way or that way, however you like. Let me just show you the right hand so you can see a lot better. It's a more complicated, more complex, I should say, thumb pattern where you're going to go 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4. But it's still just a P, I, P, M pattern. Try not to be indiscreet there, but it's still just thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle. In its most basic version. So I would get that down before I would get down some of the other more intricate versions. The thing that makes it a little more challenging is just that you have to alternate the thumb between 6th string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string. Like so. Just show you both hands. So you get that. Like that in context. All right, have fun with that. Questions, please put them in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching.